Good morning, YouTube. Courtney Truman Steamers. Me and Ethan are on our first of 3 jobs today. This is one of my good repeat clients. I do her house about twice a year. She has a thick nylon Ferget carpet, as you can see. So just want to show you guys the proper setup and some of the tips that we do when we do large homes or rooms, houses with multiple rooms. Just to show you guys. And so of course we got our corner guards up. Actually, the guy that makes these duct guards, Ignore, actually sent me 10 more. He just kind of wants me to give him a shout out. So I'm going to do that later on today across my social media platform. So he sent me 10 more of those duct guards. So you can see what we do. We got a total of 4 rooms up here plus the hallway. So what I like to do when anytime I have more than about 6 or 7 areas, I never pre-treat all the areas at once. So what I've done, I pre-treated all the rooms, the hallway, but I stopped at the stairs. As you can see, our setup, Ethan got all the corner guards up. So we're going to leave our pre-treatment up here. We're going to start the cleaning, let the pre-treatment dwell. So I haven't pre-sprayed the stairs yet, so those are dry. We got our floor mats down. Hey, Ethan, what I want to do is take these and just sit them over here so they don't fall. Kind of move little things like this out the way so we don't damage or break anything. And also I'm going to do her place of business as a commercial building Saturday. I've done upholstery for her, that couch. I also did that couch right there. And then we also have a staircase and 1 room leading to the basement, and also her master's closet. And also she wants a quote to clean and buff out her hardwood floors, which should be a nice project. So that's just how we do it, guys. So of course we got our floor mats up, Sillador, and these are just some of the things that will separate you from some companies, and customers will appreciate this, especially customers that are looking for quality. They're not so price conscious. You know, this job right here is over $400. And again, as you can just tell by looking at the carpets and the home, you know, these kind of customers, most of them are not looking for the cheapest price. They want someone who has a good background, known in the neighborhood. I actually got clients in this neighborhood. And of course, you know, nice leather wrap van. So when people drive by, they just don't see an all white, plain white van. You know, you want to present yourself in a professional manner. So like I said, you know, when you set up on these jobs, when you got more than 6, 7 areas, don't pre-spray all your areas at once. Kind of do half and half, because once that pre-spray start drying up on you, you're not going to get the good the benefits of when it's in its wet stage. So try to make sure you keep your pre-spray, when you pre-spray a room, you want to make sure, try to keep it in its wet stage, so you would get better cleaning than once it dries up. Because there have been times, you know, and just learning from my mistakes where I've let the pre-spray dry up, and then guess what? You got to pre-spray it again. So now you just wasted pre-spray and also time. So we're going to go ahead and get started, guys. We got oh man. Put it like this, guys. We got 3 jobs today, and they are all pretty big jobs. And my buddy Kevin isn't feeling too well. So it's just me and Ethan today knocking out these 3 jobs. Are you ready to rock and roll, Ethan? All right, so we're about to do it, man. Knock these jobs out. Actually, I got me a new shark coming in today too, so I'm gonna either give that one away or just kick it to the curb. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. YouTube, you guys have a great morning, and we'll see you in the next one.